Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is OBS part 2. In this part, I will show you guys how to solve OBS black screen problem. So stay with me and see what I do. Before we start this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. First you check your system management. You can find here search here control panel and go to system and security. Then you find here system, click here and then you see your system type. My system type is 64-bit, so I find my 64-bit file. So click the icon, right button and click here open file location. Here you find your 64.exe and click the right button and go to the properties. Go to the compatibility and click the tick mark run the program in compatibility mode 4. Click here and select it Windows 7. Then click here run this program as a administrator. Then it's apply. Then click OK. Now you come back your desktop and right click it and go to the nvidia control panel. Now go to the manage 3D setting and go to the program setting. Here you select your OBS software and click here integrated graphics and apply it. It's take a little bit time. Our applying is completed. Now opening our OBS Studio. Let's see, it's done. Display capturing is running smoothly. Now you can record your display very easily. Here you find some option start recording. If you click this, then your recording will be start. You see it's work nicely. But one problem is here. When you capture a game, it's not work properly. Then again it shows us the dark skin. So now I show you how to solve game capture problem. Here we open a game which name is Assassin's Creed Odyssey. Now I open OBS Studio to show you its work or not. Here you can see it shows us the display capture, but when we game capture, when you delete the display capture, you see this the change. Here you see our skin is again black, or we can take a new game capture. You can see here you select the Assassin's Creed Odyssey. and OK it. You see this, our skin is black. So now I show you guys how to solve this problem. Again, go to the nvidia control panel, go to the manage 3D setting and go to the program setting. Here you select your OBS Studio and click here high performance nvidia processor, then apply it. Our work is done. Now again launch our OBS Studio. Here you see its work. Our game capture is work smoothly. So now you can capture your game easily. I will show you guys its work smoothly. I delete it and I again take this skin to show you correctly. Game capture OK. Capture specific windows. Select here ODC and here you see it's work great. Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update, and comment me below what you think about this video. Thank you so much.